In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube Shorts using Canva. If you're looking to create engaging, bite-sized content for YouTube, Canva offers a simple and intuitive toolset to help you get started. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open Canva in your web browser. Once it's up and running, head over to the search bar and type in YouTube Shorts, then press Enter. What you'll see next is a collection of templates specifically designed for YouTube's vertical short-form videos. These templates serve as an excellent starting point. They're already pre-sized and optimized for the platform, which means you can immerse yourself in the creative process without worrying about the technicalities. This aspect of convenience is one of Canva's strengths. Now that you're looking at the template options, take a moment to scroll through the variety of themes and styles on offer. It's important that you find one that really resonates with the content you have in mind. With a myriad of choices, from minimalistic designs to vibrant, colorful templates, you're bound to find something that aligns perfectly with your vision. Once you spot a template that catches your eye, go ahead and select it. When you select a template, you'll see the option to customize it. Click this option, and it will bring the template into Canva's editor. This is where the magic happens. Within the editor, you can now personalize the template to reflect your unique brand or personal style. A good place to start is with the text. Replace the default template text with your own captions or messages. It's crucial to craft these carefully. Using compelling, concise language catered to your audience will greatly enhance engagement. Following text customization, move on to the visuals. Swap out any existing images in the template with your own. This can be done easily by clicking on the image you wish to change and uploading your own files, or you might want to explore Canva's extensive library of free photos and graphics. But don't stop there. If you want to expand your short, look for the plus icon in the editor. Clicking on this allows you to add new pages to your project. Each page can contain unique text, images, or animations, and they'll seamlessly stitch together when you export your video. Keep in mind that every additional page increases the length of your YouTube short, so it's essential to plan your content precisely to maintain its conciseness and appeal. By following these steps, you've crafted a custom YouTube short using Canva. At this point, preview your creation, make any final adjustments, and when you're satisfied, download the video file. With this video in hand, you're all set to upload it onto YouTube and share your creative work with the world. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy creating!